Hi, this is Dr. Kate Walker, and I'm so glad you'll be joining me on the DIY You Are a Counselor mentoring program, also known as Counselors Creating Badass Businesses course. There are several lessons, we call them lectures, in this course, but only one audio, and you're listening to it right now as I introduce you to the course. Other videos, we've decided to put those in the dedicated business page, and if you go to courses and resources, you see in the drop-down menu, you have a Badass Business Builder members only page, and when you're logged in, you'll be able to click and see several resources, and we are updating these all the time. So this is February 22nd, 2020, and you can see we just have a few things in here. So by the time you get this, it will be growing and growing and growing, and we'll have tons more. So we have lecture 1.1, the starting line, 2.1, backwards plan your badass business goals, lecture 3.1, what's holding you back, 4.1, we're going to talk about deliverables and showing us what you've got, and then 5.1, the reality check, and 6.1, time to dig deep, 7.1, build your tribe, and 8.1, your badass business and beyond. Now remember, included in your purchase is a 30-minute consultation. So email support@katewalkertraining.com. That's support@katewalkertraining.com, and we can get that consultation scheduled, and you can talk through questions that you have. But also you'll want to make sure you join the Facebook group, Counselors Creating Badass Businesses. That's Texas Counselors Creating Badass Businesses, along with going back to that page dedicated to badass business builders, because we will offer opportunities for mastermind groups and other opportunities to network together and grow your business. So I really look forward to accompanying you on this journey and growing with you through the years as you build your badass business to continue serving the underserved and make your business an outstanding community resource. Let's get to work.